the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear viewers, to our today program. Dear viewers, I wish all you be happy and success in all moments of your life. Dear viewers, today we want to talk about television. What is the meaning of television? First of all, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, wish you be happy and healthy.
Thank you very much. How are you doing, Ms. Shakiba?
Alhamdulillah, I'm well. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing well. Ms. Shakiba, today we want to talk about television. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, my first question, what does the term television stand for and what does it mean?
The term of television is made from two words, tel and vision. It means to see from a distance.
Ms. Shakiba, I think television is an improved form of radio. What does television provide to the people?
Yes, television is an improved form of radio and providing a better source of instruction and amusement. TV is a useful source for getting education and knowledge. We can make broadcast effective educative programs for children and students through television channels.
Who speaks to the people through TV to guide them to the right path?
Nowadays, religious scholars, intellectuals, and politicians speak to the people on the TV to guide them to the right path of morality and public virtues.
Although television has all these advantages and facilities, but what are the evils of the television when it is misused?
We should be also aware of evils that it brings to the people. Some TV programs can have negative influence on children. They may learn bad and violent behaviors from TV programs. Too much watching TV takes time away from children's reading and homework. Parents should monitor children while watching TV.
Nonetheless, who is responsible for having control over television channels?
This is the responsibility of the government to have control over TV channels and prevent them from misusing this useful source of guidance in the country.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Dear viewers, this is our today program. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.